Alright, we've got a brand new lever blade assembly kit here. We just installed one of these on Tuesday. Here's a brand new one. So this is in, what was it like? So this plastic clip is supposed to keep and lock into these little channels and keep this pin from sliding out. But this takes like zero force to just pop through. That's not gonna hold. I don't know if this is something with tolerance or whatever else. Yeah, considering we just replaced it for this customer, don't love this at all. This is, I would call this garbage. But in theory, I should need some tools to get this all through here. And like the instructions online say to just hit this with a hammer to punch it through, but I don't know if we got a defective batch or whatever else, but I can just push that in with my finger. And this came loose on him, obviously. I don't think we should send this out. Because, yeah, like,